Welcome to the Introduction to Excel course presented by the Dynamic Development Program. Your facilitator for the next 4 Saturdays is Jackie Fioramonti. So, what is Excel? Well, Excel is a program known as a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a digital grid made up of rows and columns. You can enter numbers, text, and formulas into the rows and columns. Columns run from top to bottom. Columns are identified by letters of the alphabet. Excel allows up to 16,384 columns. Rows run from left to right. Rows are identified by numbers that run down the left-hand side of the sheet. Excel allows up to 1,048,576 rows in a spreadsheet. Yes, you heard right, 1,048,576 rows in a spreadsheet. That's a whole lot of rows. The space where the column and row intersect is called a cell. A cell is identified by the column letter and the row number. In that order, for example, cell A1 or cell B2 or cell ZZ100. The active cell is the cell that has a green border around it. This makes it easy to see the cell that you are working in. You can move between cells by clicking in the cell that you want to be in, using the arrow keys, the Enter key or the Tab key. Enter moves one cell down. Shift plus Enter moves one cell up. The Tab key moves one cell to the right, and Shift plus Tab moves one cell to the left. The arrow keys move one cell in the direction of the arrow. Let's recap. Excel is a spreadsheet program. It is made up of columns and rows. Columns run from top to bottom and are identified by letters of the alphabet. Rows run from left to right and are identified by numbers. Cells are the spaces where columns and rows intersect. Cells are identified by the column letter and the row number, in that order. The active cell is identified by a green border. You can move between cells by clicking in the cell you want to be in, using the Enter key, or the Shift plus Enter key, using the Tab key, or the Shift plus Tab key, or using the arrow keys. In the next video, we will learn about working with columns and rows, entering data into the cells and formatting data in cells.